we welcome you to NDIM. Today we have with us Ms. Mamta Saikia, the CEO of Bharti Foundations. Ma'am, you inspire so many of us every day. Who is behind your inspiration and why?
So, I get inspired by children. I actually get inspired by the work that I'm doing. So every day when I get up, I'm kind of looking forward to the challenge that I have in front of me and how do I overcome that? How do I deliver the goals that I've set? So, actually, it's the work, the cause that inspires me.
Okay. Please share one management lesson or Gyan mantra that you would like to share with this generation.
So, only one thing, be committed to the project that you've taken up, and by commitment I mean prepare well for it, expand your knowledge base, talk to people. So before you start executing the project, be so well prepared that you're able to deal with 80% of the problems that you may face, and don't give up easily. Commitment also means that failures would be part of life, but I think you just have to learn to pick up yourself and start chasing the dream all over again.
Okay. Can NDIM be of any help in assisting you in your noble cause and empowering underprivileged children?
I believe that uh, people don't need vehicles like different organizations to help underprivileged. Wherever we are, there are enough and more people around us who need our help. So if there were 200 students listening to me today, if each of the student in 1 year picks up one project and deliver, that's 200 completely, independent projects. Big or small doesn't matter. So I think the only way the students who listen to me today, I would be happy if they kind of stay with what I told them and help at least one person every year.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We
Thank
are
you.
pleasure to have you here.
Thank you, Vijay.